What's up, YouTube? It's Fix It Vic, and you're about to see me flip this 2000 Honda Accord LX 5-speed manual that I purchased for 450 bucks. Sold within 24 hours for 1,500 bucks right now. Okay, this is a 2000 Honda Accord LX 5-speed manual sedan. I purchased from a lady off of Craigslist for 450 bucks. It was listed at 900. I got the price down to 450 after going back and forth with her. There was some issues with the vehicle that I already got fixed. I got this vehicle last night and it was too dark to video record, and I had already had the part, so I went on and did the fixes on the vehicle, but I'll show you what I did. This vehicle had some damage here because the bumper was previously, I guess something had got hit up here, so this part of the bumper was hanging down, and so was this side over here. So I had to go to a Honda dealership and get the proper screws to hold that in place. It already had some pretty good tires on it. It does have some body work right here, a few dings in the body, but I'm not fixing all of those issues. I'm pretty much going to leave it, the body in the condition that it's in currently. The interior, there's also some dents on this back door. The interior is in pretty decent shape. It's kind of dirty right now. I cleaned it out as far as vacuum it. I'm not going to do too much to it. I just got some of the issues that I'm going to show you under the hood fixed, and just to get this car in a decent shape so I can sell it, flip it. Interior is pretty good. I don't know what this is, but this could be pretty much changed. I went to the junkyard earlier and looked for that part, looked for this, but I couldn't find it. I'm just going to leave it the same. It's not going to really determine the value of the car anymore because I've already pretty much underlisted it compared to the market value. The market value on this car is, the market value on this car is $2,900 by Kelley Blue Book. And let's see if I can there is still an engine, the engine light is still on. The engine light is still on because of the EGR valve, and there is a light, there is a code still going for the brakes, because I think the brake job is coming up soon, but the car is in pretty good shape. AC is going. The AC also wasn't working when I purchased the vehicle. It just needed a little Freon. I put some Freon in it. And let's go under the hood. Not the cleanest engine in the world, but also the speedometer wasn't working. So I don't know if you guys can hear me, but the speedometer wasn't working before in the vehicle, so I went on ahead and changed the speed sensor. It's way back there in the back. Got that working. Got the AC working. This window does not roll down. It needs a regulator. I'm leaving that the same. I'm not gonna mess with that. I'm only listing this car. I only listed this car for $1,500, which I didn't list yet, because a guy right here in my apartment who wrecked his vehicle a couple weeks ago was looking for a vehicle, and he is gonna purchase this one in the condition that it's in right now. So within a 24-hour period, I took $450, which I paid for this car, which was in pretty good condition, just minus a few minor things that I straightened out, and now it's a fully operating car. Okay, so there you have it on this 2000 Honda Accord LX This is one of my flips on my channel. I kind of do I fix things on my channel, but I also, for a living, I flip appliances, and I also flip vehicles, flip cars, mostly Hondas, Acuras, things of that nature, Toyotas. And I'm gonna start recording on my channel on some of my flips and how I flip my vehicles and how I make a living, basically fixing and buying things at a lower price, fixing them and sell them at a higher price. If you like my channel, you like my content. If you don't like my content, please give me value back by letting me know what it is that I do wrong, or what it is that because I'm always open to learn. So just help me out, and I'll share my experiences with the channel. So subscribe, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to get notified when I drop more videos. Yeah, man, just try to stay in tune with my channel, and I'm gonna try to keep this content coming. I hope the content I'm bringing y'all is good. I'm gonna try to get better at putting across or explaining through my videos everything, because it's kind of new to me, documenting everything that I do. So I hope I can reach some people and maybe give some good content to, or teach some people a few things. All right, so that's enough of me rambling, but go on and hit that subscribe button again. I'm gonna tell you again, hit the subscribe button, and let's try to learn something through this channel or through your channel or whatever, and let's